Good morning everyone. This is B. Ramarao from SRRS Government Polytechnic, Sirsilla, General Engineering Chemistry, common subject for all diploma first year students. Today our chapter Water Technology. In this chapter we discuss about types of hardness. One is temporary hardness, another one is permanent hardness. The subject common subject for all branches for diploma first year students. Subject code 104. Now we discuss about types of hardness. Water sources are two types. One is surface water and groundwater. Already we discussed about sources of water in previous classes. One is surface water, another one is groundwater. The surface water, rainwater, river water, lake water, and sea water. In this water, rainwater is very purest form of water, and river water, lake water, sea water contains impurities, and it is used very limited quantity of water. Another one is water sources, groundwater. Groundwater like well water, drill water are called groundwater. This groundwater contains hardness, causes salts dissolve in water, it causes hardness of water. These are sources of water and types of water. One is soft water and hard water. Water is classified into two types on the basis of action of water with soap. There are two types. One is soft water and hard water. Water which produces lather immediately and easily with soap is called soft water. This soft water, for example, rainwater, distilled water, etc. The soft water produces lather with soap due to formation of free fatty and acetic acids present in soap, like sodium stearate molecule present in soap react with water to form stearic acid. Another one is hard water. Water which does not produce lather immediately and easily with soap but form white sticky precipitation is called hard water. These are two types of water. One is soft water and hard water. This hard water contains hardness causes salts like calcium and magnesium salts react with soap molecule to form a white precipitate on the bottom of container. So sodium stearate molecule react with sodium and calcium and magnesium molecule to form calcium stearate or magnesium stearate. That is C17H35COONA. Sodium stearate react with magnesium sulfate or calcium sulfate to form C17H35COO taken twice Mg or C17H35COO taken twice Ca. These calcium stearate or magnesium stearate molecule form a white precipitate on the bottom of beaker and formation of cations of sodium ions. So this hot water contains hardness of water. Now we discuss about what is hardness, causes of hardness, and types of hardness of water. These topics we discuss today. On the completion of this period, you would be able to know types of hardness, temporary hardness, permanent hardness, causes of temporary hardness, permanent hardness, causes of permanent hardness. Temporary and permanent hardness caused by presence of dissolved salts like calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate presence in water then causes hardness of water. Now, what is hardness? The property of hard water by which it prevents formation of lather with soap is called hardness. Hardness is the property of hard water. Property of hard water. Prevent formation of lather with soap is called hardness of water. The latter preventing property of soap with water is called hardness. The hardness of water is due to presence of dissolved salts. Due to presence of dissolved salts like bicarbonates, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. When soap is treated with hard water, it forms insoluble calcium or magnesium salts or fatty acids. It is precipitated as a white woody substance. Then C17H35COONA plus Mg plus 2 gives C17H35COO taken twice Mg plus 2Na plus. C17H35COONA plus Ca plus 2 gives C17H35COO taken twice Ca plus 2. So, does not produce lather until all calcium and magnesium ions have been precipitated. Hence, the salt should be removed from the hot water before its use. For its uses. Types of hardness. Due to dissolved salts present in water, hardness is of two types. Hardness are two types. Hardness two types. One is temporary hardness, permanent hardness. What is hardness? The latter preventing property of soap with water is called hardness. Hardness is the preventing property of lather with soap is called hardness. This hardness caused by due to presence of soluble bicarbonates, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Presence in water causes a hardness. This hardness caused by calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. These salts dissolve in water, it causes hardness. These hardness are two types. One is temporary hardness, second one permanent hardness. Temporary hardness. Due to the presence of dissolved salts like bicarbonates, chlorides, sulfates of calcium and magnesium caused by hardness of water. These soluble salts get mixed with the natural water. These soluble salts get mixed with the natural water. When natural water flow over the rocks containing chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, These salts dissolve in water get hardness of water. When natural water flow over the rocks containing chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium, these salts dissolve in water get hardness. When water flow from rocks, these rocks mixed with water, it contains chlorides and sulfates. These chlorides and sulfates mixed with calcium and magnesium to form calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, and magnesium sulfate. Dissolve in water, it causes hardness of water. Causes hardness of water. These hardness are two types. One is temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Formation of hardness. When water flow on soil, the soil contains calcium and magnesium ions. These rainwater mixed with carbon dioxide to form H2CO3 carbonic acid. These carbonic acid interact with calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate present in rocks. These calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonates like limestones. These limestones mixed with rainwater. This rainwater contains carbonic acids of H2CO3. These carbonic acid interact with calcium carbonate or magnesium carbonate, then form calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. CaHCO3 taken twice. CaHCO3 taken twice. MgHCO3 taken twice. Calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate presence in limestones. These limestones mixed with rainwater. This rainwater contains carbon dioxide to form carbonic acid. This carbonic acid mixed with limestones then form calcium bicarbonate or magnesium bicarbonate. Then formation of hardness. How do you form hardness on water? This rainwater mixed with carbon dioxide then form carbonic acid. This carbonic acid flow on rocks. These rocks contains calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate. These calcium and magnesium interact with rainwater then form calcium bicarbonate or magnesium bicarbonate. CaHCO3 taken twice and MgHCO3 taken twice. This is formation of hardness of water. These calcium and magnesium bicarbonates present in water. This hardness is called temporary hardness of water. Temporary hardness of water. The hardness causes due to presence of dissolved bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium is called temporary hardness. The formula of these compounds is CaHCO3 taken twice, MgHCO3 taken twice. This type of hardness can be removed by boiling of water or by adding lime water. Whenever water is boiled, The bicarbonate decompose to form insoluble carbonates which can be removed by filtration method. Then carbonic acids interact with limestones, then form calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. These bicarbonates can be removed by easily method by boiling of water or by adding lime water. Whenever these process remove by hardness of water, this temporary process of hardness is called temporary hardness. Water is boiled. Then the bicarbonates decompose to form insoluble carbonates which can be removed by filtration method. Calcium bicarbonate by boiling then form calcium carbonate plus CO2 plus H2O. Magnesium bicarbonate by boiling magnesium carbonate plus CO2 plus H2O. That is removing of temporary hardness by boiling process or adding limestone. Temporary hardness. It is caused by calcium and magnesium bicarbonates. Calcium and magnesium bicarbonates. That is calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate. Calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate's presence in water, it causes temporary hardness. It is called temporary hardness because this can be removed just on boiling of water. It is removed easily by boiling process or adding limestone or lime water. Then calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate by boiling to form calcium carbonate as a precipitate, CO2 and water. This water is called salt water. Calcium bicarbonate by heating to form calcium carbonate plus carbon dioxide plus H2O. CaHCO3 taken twice gives CaCO3 plus CO2 plus 2H2O. 2H2O. Magnesium bicarbonate gives magnesium carbonate, carbon dioxide plus H2. MgHCO3 taken twice gives MgCO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Calcium bicarbonate soluble in water. The soluble compound by heating insoluble precipitate of calcium carbonate formed on the bottom of container. Magnesium bicarbonate heating to form magnesium carbonate plus CO. These magnesium bicarbonate soluble in water, magnesium carbonate insoluble compound. Insoluble compound. It is also called carbonate hardness or alkali hardness. Carbonate hardness or alkali hardness. It is due to presence of bicarbonate, carbonate and hydroxide of hardness producing metal ions. Ca plus 2 Mg plus 2 associated with bicarbonates or carbonates to form hardness of water. Carbonate hardness is equal total hardness of water which is less than of hardness. Less than of hardness. Types of causes of hardness: temporary hardness, permanent hardness. Temporary hardness causes by calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, iron bicarbonate. Temporary hardness: calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, iron bicarbonate. Permanent hardness. Permanent hardness. The hardness causes due to presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium is called permanent hardness. The hardness causes due to presence of chloride and sulfates of calcium and magnesium is called permanent hardness. The hardness causes due to presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium is called permanent hardness. Permanent hardness of water. This permanent hardness causes by chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. The formula of these compounds are calcium chloride CaCl2, magnesium chloride MgCl2, calcium sulfate CaSO4, magnesium sulfate MgSO4. Calcium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate. Dissolved in water, it causes permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness can't be removed by boiling process. It is removed by special methods like Permutude process, ion exchange process. Permutude and ion exchange process. What is the Permutude? Permutude process or ion exchange process. The naturally occurring sodium aluminum orthosilicate is called Permutude. Na2Al2 Si2 OH is called sodium aluminum orthosilicate is called Permutude. This process called because the chemical compound used in this process is Permutude. Aluminum orthosilicate Al2Si2OH is called zeolite. Sodium zeolite Na2Al2Si2OH is called Permutude. Permutude is prepared by sodium carbonate Na2CO3, alumina Al2O3 and silica SiO2. These compounds mix together to form Permutude Na2Al2Si2OH. This Permutude uses by removal of calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate and magnesium sulfate from water. When water passes through this Permutude packed in a container, the sodium ions are replaced by calcium and magnesium presence in the hot water. These sodium ions does not causes hardness of water. Calcium zeolite and magnesium zeolite form and removed by hardness of water. Another one process, ion exchange process. This is most recently and widely accepted method. In this method, Long chain organic polymer is called resin. These resins are usually based on natural of functional group. Resins are classified into two types. One is acidic resin and basic resin. Acidic resin or COOH, basic resin or NH3. Two different containers arrange the different resins. One is acidic resin, basic resins arranged in two different containers by process of hot water through these containers. This hardness causes calcium and magnesium ions present in hot water are exchanged with H plus ions present in resins. Hence, acidic resins, also called cation exchange resin, then the water passed through anion exchange resin. This anion exchange resin, chloride and sulfates in hot water are exchanged with hydroxide ions. Finally, the H plus ions and OH minus ions so produced reacted together to form purest water, that is H2O, is called demineralized water or distilled water formed by this method. Demineralized water or distilled water formed by this process. One is fermentation process and the other one is ion exchange process. Fermentation and ion exchange process. Temporary hardness. It is due to presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium and can be removed by boiling process. The water presents bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium and can be removed by boiling process. Permanent hardness. Permanent hardness. Calcium bicarbonate, CaHCO3 taken twice, MgSCO3 taken. These calcium and magnesium bicarbonates removed by boiling process. Then heating of water then form calcium bicarbonate to form calcium carbonate plus CO2 plus H2. These insoluble calcium bicarbonate then form insoluble compounds of calcium carbonates plus CO2 plus H2O. Permanent hardness. It is due to process of sulfates, nitrates and chlorides of calcium and magnesium. It is due to presence of calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride presence in water, then causes of permanent hardness. These permanent hardness caused by calcium chloride, CaCl2, magnesium chloride, MgCl2, calcium sulfate, CaSO4, magnesium sulfate, MgSO4. These permanent hardness causes salts removed by Perrottet process, ion exchange process. Perrottet process or ion exchange process. Temporary hardness is hardness that can be removed by boiling. Temporary hardness is caused by calcium bicarbonates, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium hydrogen carbonate, magnesium hydrogen carbonate, calcium hydrogen carbonate, magnesium hydrogen carbonates. Presence in water, it causes hardness. This hardness is called temporary hardness. Permanent hardness is hardness that cannot be removed by boiling process. This permanent hardness is caused by calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. CaCl2, MgCl2, CaSO4, MgSO4 presence in water, it causes permanent hardness of water. Permanent hardness of water. Summary. There are two types of hardness. There are two types of hardness. One is temporary hardness, another one is permanent hardness. Temporary hardness is caused by calcium and magnesium bicarbonate. Calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate presence in water, it causes hardness. This hardness calculated by using degree of hardness. The number of parts by weight of salts or calcium carbonate equivalents present in 1 million parts by weight of water is called degree of hardness. The degree of hardness is expressed in terms of CaCO3 equivalents. CaCO3 equivalents. This is because the molecular weight of CaCO3 is 100 and CaCO3 is formed as one of insoluble product in the removal of hardness of water. Then CaCO3 equivalent weight is equal weight of salt by gram molecular weight of salt into 100. 1 mole of CaCO3 weight is equal 100 grams. Then 1 mole of calcium bicarbonate weight 162 grams, calcium chloride weight 111 grams, calcium sulfate 136 grams, magnesium bicarbonate weight 146 grams, magnesium chloride weight 95 grams, magnesium sulfate 120 grams. Then weight of salt, like calcium bicarbonate weight 1.62 grams by gram molecular weight 162, then 1.62 by 162 into 100, therefore 162 by 162, 100 by 100, that is 1 ppm. 1 parts of calcium bicarbonates presence in 1 million parts by weight of water is called degree of hardness. Then you calculate how many number of parts by weight of water presence in water causes degree of hardness of water. Then you measure in ppm or milligram per liter by weight of water presence in hardness. It is called temporary hardness because this can be removed just on boiling the water. Boiling of water. It is also called as carbonate hardness or alkaline hardness. Carbonate hardness or alkaline hardness. Calcium ions, magnesium ions associated with bicarbonates or carbonates, it causes temporary hardness. Ca plus 2, Mg plus 2 associated with HCO3 taken twice, CO3 minus 2. Then calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate. CaHCO3 taken twice, MgHCO3 taken twice, CaCO3, MgCO3 presence in water, it causes hardness of water. Then the hardness of water depends on formation of Plather with soap. These hardness causes by bicarbonates, chlorides, sulfates of calcium and magnesium. Calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfates. Presence in water, it causes hardness of water. Now, these questions. First one, temporary hardness can be removed by. How it is removed temporary hardness? Temporary hardness can removed by one is A. Filtration, B. Sedimentation, C. Coagulation, D. Boiling process. What is temporary hardness? The hardness of water causes by soluble bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Those calcium and magnesium bicarbonates removed by the process by boiling process or adding plain water. Now given options filtration, sedimentation, coagulation, boiling process. Temporary hardness can be removed by boiling process. So now answer D, boiling process. Filtration, sedimentation, coagulation process used in municipal treatment process. In municipal treatment process, by using filtration, sedimentation, coagulation, screening process and sterilization process are used in municipal treatment process. Now temporary hardness is easily by remove hardness by boiling process. Now answer D. Second question, hardness of soft water in ppm. ppm is parts per million. Hardness of soft water. Soft water hardness. What is hardness? Formation of water with soap. What is ppm? ppm means it is defined as the number of parts by weight of calcium carbonate equivalents present in 1 million parts by weight of water is called ppm. Therefore, 1 ppm is equal to 10 to the power of 6 parts by weight of CaCO3 in water. Therefore, 1 ppm is equal to 1 part of CaCO3 in 10 to the power of 6 parts of water. 1 part of CaCO3 presents in 10 to the power of 6 parts of water. So hardness of soft water 0 to 100 ppm, 0 to 50 ppm, 0 to 75 ppm, 0 to 10 ppm. The soft water ppm 0 to 100 ppm, 0 to 50 ppm, 0 to 75 ppm, 0 to 10 ppm. The soft water hardness in ppm 0 to 75 ppm. Now answer C. 0 to 75 ppm of water is called soft water. Soft water range 0 to 75 ppm. In this chapter, frequently asked questions: what are the salts responsible for the temporary hardness? Temporary hardness causes salts. Calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate. CaHCO3 taken twice, MgHCO3 taken twice. These two salts are responsible for causes by temporary hardness. These two salts removed by boiling process or adding lime water, calcium hydroxide CaOH taken as when it is removed from water. How can you remove temporary hardness? By boiling process or adding lime water. By boiling calcium bicarbonate by heating to form insoluble calcium carbonate plus carbon dioxide plus water. These are our topics: hardness, causes for hardness, types of hardness, these temporary hardness, permanent hardness. These four topics discussed in this period. So thank you once again. Thank you very much.